Hey everybody, it's Bryan. Hey, it's a lazy Saturday here in Oregon City, Oregon. We're just chilling, watching the World Cup, and we're about to watch the Conor McGregor UFC fight. So we're just hanging out. I've got my Pavo Pico II, and it's a little 2S tiny whoop, and we're going to try to fly slow and controlled around the backyard, maybe around the house a little bit, through some obstacles here, and yeah, we'll get our daily stick time in. All right, you ready? Let's go fly. And let's take off. Whoa. Yeah, see, it'll be interesting flying this around the backyard slow. Everything's overflowing. Scared that I won't get it right. My nerves are working overtime. Tell myself to calm down and breathe. This is much harder to control than my Air65 and Air75. Okay, just gotta get used to it. I think the main difference is just that this has more weight to it. This has a 2S battery. Alright, we're circling. Much harder to fly this one. Wow. I'm gonna go up. Got the sunset. Oh wow, I see what's going on. I'm in freaking angle mode. Dude, I wasn't paying attention, I guess. Flying around in freaking angle mode. No wonder that was harder. Step out of the shadows into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Try this in air mode. God, you know, there's so many things to do when you take off. I need a freaking checklist. Okay, so still hard, but not as hard as it was in freaking angle mode. Ooh. Let's circle the house a little bit here. Woo! Man, it's hard. Alright. Throttle's super sensitive, and you sink way faster than you do with the Air65 or Air75. Or the Pavo 20 Pro 2. I think that's because that's got more power. Maybe it seems a little bit less bad. There we go. Ooh, a little air in my head there. All right. Hi, doggy. Woo. There we go. A little tree action there. Whew. Dang it. The throttle is so sensitive on this. I'm going to need some time and practice on this. My freaking thumbs are cramping up. Jeez. I don't know if you can hear my air conditioning running in the background. If there's a hum, that's what the hum is. If you're not from this part of the world, we all have air conditioning. It's hot. Pull up. My dog's licking my kneecap again. Don't bump my arm, dog. Jeez. All right, let's bring it back. And I'm gonna land it on the grass, I think, because these blades are spinning fast and I don't want to land it next to my body. On battery number 2, let's go fly. Whoa! Woo! Ooh, boy. What are they building over there? What is that? They're taking up my nice practice field with some crap here. What is this? What is this all about? Let's see, what is this going on? What are they building over here, guys? Boy. Oh boy. Ooh, a little bit weak over there. Look at this.
There's a heavy weight inside my head, crashing down and filled with dread. Just rushing down.
All right, go back in the backyard. Slow things down a little bit.
Broken, circuit power reboot, stuck inside another ending. Rage, assimilate, mutilate. Rage, assimilate, mutilate. Save, assimilate, suffocate. Rage, assimilate, mutilate.
All right.
I'm bitching out.
I don't know if you can hear me breathing hard or not. I don't know if the microphone's picking it up, but I'm breathing pretty hard and I'm shaking right now, just because this little guy's a little bit harder to control than my other ones. So it was that fear. Like, I find, you know, I don't shake when I fly in a simulator because there's no risk. Right, as opposed to this, I mean, I'm risking couple $100, which, you know, I mean, I can afford that, but like, it's still a lot of money. So yeah, definitely more. Let's try that. There, we got a flip out of it. Oh boy, really a challenge. I haven't wrecked yet. I just jinxed myself probably. Let's go up. Ooh, somebody's tearing butt in their car around here. I can hear it. Trying to make these controlled turns without losing tons of altitude. There we go. Man. My right thumb especially is like cramped for some reason. I need to calm down.
I just don't even care anymore.
Can I make it through the gap? Disarm. Boy, that was scary. Alright. Alright, I'm pushing my luck here. I'm getting down to my low battery. I think I've had about enough of the Pavo Pico in the confined space. It's much easier when you're in a big open field. Alright. And let's kill it now. Alright, well, it's time to go back to check out the Conor McGregor fight that's about to start. So I'm just going to fly one battery on the Air65 just to give myself some confidence back. Yeah, it was really hard flying the Pavo Pico II in a confined space. So, yep, just more practice. Got to get that stick time in every day as much as I can. And I hope that's one of the things I look back in, 6 months from now and go, man, I've gotten so much better at that. So, all right, so we are ready. VTX is on at 25 milliwatts. And the DVR is recording. I have a microphone going too, so I'm going to say, we're in air mode, okay. I'm going to say 3, 2, 1, arm. Alrighty, and now we take off. Let's go fly. Oh yeah, so much smoother. Look at this. Man, tiny whoops are where it's at. I love these little things. Look how much better it is to fly with like no weight. All the way up. You'll notice, if you're not used to flying drones, you notice the number change in the top left of the screen, telling us that we're on race band channel 8, and that after I arm the motors, it switches to 400 milliwatts. which is the highest output you can get out of this little tiny guy, the Air65. Look at this, I can just go through everything. I love it. Love it. There we go. Yeah, way easier to slow down too. Can I make it through the tree? Yes! Nice! Ooh. I don't shake as bad as I used to. I mean, I sit down because my legs start getting shaky too, but lately, it's been so bad. Oops. You know, you only get... Shit. Dang it. Ah, man. Disarm. Crash flip. Arm. Actually flip. Disarm. Crash flip switch off. Armed. Take off. Isn't that great? Love that. Alright, well, we got a little over 3 minutes. We're down to 3.3, 3.4 volts. So I'm just going to bring it in and land it, and that'll be it. And then I'm going to go watch the Conor McGregor fight. And I'll say thanks for watching me fly today for my daily stick time. Catch you on the next one.